Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super quick and easy way to get your Steam trade link. This is the link that lets your friends or anyone you choose send you trade offers directly. Perfect for trading skins, items, or just sharing your inventory safely. First, open Steam and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, hover over your username at the top and click on Activity from the drop-down menu. On the next screen, look to the right side and click Trade Offers. Here, you'll see an option that says who can send me trade offers? Click on it, and this is where the magic happens. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see your trade URL. This is your trade link. You can copy this link and share it with anyone on Steam, even if they're not on your friends list. You can also post it on trading sites or Steam community groups. If you ever need to stop sharing the old link, there's a simple way to update it. Just click Create a new URL, hit the green button, and Steam will generate a brand new trade link for you. Easy as that. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to get your Steam trade link and manage it safely. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.